I want to make a nice video. Nah, I'll make a super awesome one. I should film some flowers, a cat, a playful parrot, maybe some bigger flowers, getting all the detail shots that I need. Then I'll go film the woods far away from here, make a hyperlapse across the city, and take a landscape photo with 9 photos combined. What's next? Give me a lovely girl, maybe. She's reading a book by the tree. Winds are blowing softly. Okay, give her a handsome boy. He's closing in. She felt it and turned around. Let them be the cutest couple. Nice! And then I'll start moving, running like it's the end of the world. Capture the laughs, the pure joy of love. Wait. Let's not forget selfie time. Cheese! With all these and just a little editing. All that I need for this is...
All that you need is Vimble 3. A gimbal for smartphone. Yep, that's right, go get it.